Today we will guide you how to use Alexa voice control timer. First, download the Homgar app, click the plus button in the upper right corner, and then select Socket Hub to add a device. Enter the correct Wi-Fi password. If your Wi-Fi is 5 GHz, please set it to 2.4 GHz. Plug the Socket Hub gateway into the socket, and press and hold the power button for 3 to 5 seconds to make the light flash quickly and enter the pairing mode. The device is connected successfully. Return to the home page and you will see all connected devices. On the gateway page, click Subdevices and select Add Device List and select One Zone Water Timer. Press and hold the switch valve of the device to enter the flash matching mode. Operate and match according to the app guide to add devices. The device is successfully connected. Return to the home page, you will see all connected devices. Open the Alexa app. Select Skills and Games below. More page. Search for the Homgar app and click Enabling Use agrees to link it. Enter the correct account number on the login page and select Homgar APP. It will automatically match the device. The device is successfully connected. You can choose any desired scene. You can control the current device by voice or manually. Alexa, open the water timer.
Okay.